my screen. They are what? Candlesticks. These stuffs here, they are all candlesticks. They are all what? Candlesticks. All right. So let me go to a cleaner chart. Let's use, yeah. So now, what was a candlestick? Like we said, price moves, price, obviously price moves in different moves from up to down. You understand, downtrend, uptrend, consolidation. But the representation of the prices of the price movement is now what the candlestick represents. So for a candle, when you see a candle move up, it means that the price is moving up. So there are different ways the chart represent. You can see here, if you see bar, you see candles, you see holo candles, you see line. But majorly we use candles and line. So you can see line, you just see the line, just like your chart moving here and there. You understand, up, down, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and so on. You get. So the candlestick is also a representation of price. Let me see if I can get a better definition for what a candlestick is. Then we'll dive into the details of a candlestick. So a candlestick is a style of financial chart used to describe price movements. Like I said, you understand. So it just describes price movement. So let's see. Let me use Google to show you guys the open and the close. Even I wanted to use my chart, but let me just use this. So if you look at this picture here, we have here. So let me use this. Oh no, let me use this one. This one is clearer. So you can see, what can you see here? Can you guys still hear me? Let me know. If you can hear me, just say you can hear me so that I will continue.
Yes, you can hear me.
All right. So if you look at the candle, you see the open, you see that there are two types of candlesticks, the bullish candle and the bearish candle. The bullish candle is also known as the buy candle. The bearish candle is the sell candle. In the bullish, when we say something is bullish, it means it's going up, is buying. So now, if you look at this price, for every market there's the open, there's the close. Same way you open your shop, there's a time you open your shop and there's a time you close the shop. So from that time, there's an open price for a particular goods. Maybe when you come to the market, you want to sell at a particular price, or you want to sell at a particular price. But when you open, maybe somebody just came and you like priced it down to, like, maybe you wanted to sell something for 50,000, you now sold it for 49,000. Do you understand what I'm saying? You now sold it for 49,000, and that's not the actual open price, but your opening price, you wanted to sell it for 50,000, but you now ended up selling it for 49,000 at first. So you went low. So that's your low. But later on the day, you later sold it for like 54,000, 53,000. So that's the high. Then maybe at the close of the day, you sold it for maybe 50,000 or 51,000. That's the close of the day. So it's just price movement. The candle represents the movement of price. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. If you're getting it, please let me know if you're getting what I'm saying before I continue. Let me know on the comment section.
I'm getting what.
All right. So now so we have the sell and the buy. So for the sell, you are maybe you open because the thing is moving down. Sell means you want the price to go down. So now, demand supply. When the demands of a goods is high, the price goes up. When the supply is high, price goes down. So simple. It's as simple as that. So the sell candle, there's the open at the top, there's the close at the bottom, because it's coming down. you are expecting price to go down. So let's look at the chart. Let's look at the chart to see what I'm saying clearly. So now, if you look at this, if you look at the chart closely, you see, I want to use here as an example. All right, I want to use here as an example. So we have two candles here, two candles. This one is your bullish candle, went up. Then this is your bearish candle. The red one is your bearish. So now, this is how the price moves. This is how you come to the chart and you see how you, because of what you've seen, because of what the candle printed, that is what you now use to make your decision. Maybe you want to go down or go low. So now we now have candlestick patterns. So over the time, they have come to discover various patterns that affect the market. Maybe when this pattern appears, the market tends to go down. When this pattern appears, the market tends to go down, go up. So the two patterns I will talk to you about, I will just tell you the others, but I'll just say bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. Then we have bearish engulfing. Do you understand? When we say engulfing, that means the thing engulfed, one engulfed the other. When we say engulfing, that means it covered the other. So for example, you could see that this candle here, this red candle engulfed this former candle, this former blue candle, which is your buy candle. The sell candle engulfed the buy candle. So this indicates that, okay, there's a selling pressure. That means the pressure of the sellers are higher than the buyers. You can see it from here. So this is a pattern that when you see, you should expect the market to drop because sellers are now more in the market. Same thing, we have something like this. The other candlestick pattern, like the other types of candlestick like pin bar, you should check about them, browse about them. Pin bar, other candlestick pattern like evening star, morning star, what again, and so on and so forth. Same way we have something like this, a bullish engulfing. So you see, simply this blue candle engulfed the red candle. So you should know that buyers are more in the market. See how the price moved to the upside. I just want to keep it simple. This one too engulfed, this blue candle engulfed this sell candle. I guess what I'm saying. Push to the upside. If you are getting it so far, please just say you are getting it. Let me know. All right, Informer said she's getting it. Is Informer still here? Not sure. It's left. My boss, hope you are getting it. Let me know so that I will continue. Oh, God. Are we getting it? Are we getting it? Are we getting it? If I go further, if I talk, if I continue, are we getting it? I was talking about candles. I think Informer left. So I was talking about bullish candle, bearish candle. So we're just identifying the bullish engulfing candle and the bearish engulfing. When one of the candles engulf the other, it shows that, okay, there's a certain amount of pressure. Like for example, there's buying pressure is higher than and selling pressure is higher here because the sell candle engulfed this candle, this blue candle here, the buying candle. The sell, you should know that sellers are in the market because what price the candle engulfed the sell the buy. Same thing here. So you see, these are signals. So when you see somebody saying, I want to give signal, I want to tell you, okay, you should sell from a particular level. There's something the person saw that the person now made a decision to sell or buy. That's what you're basically doing in trading. You're basically making decisions to either sell or buy. Same thing here, selling pressure. This candle engulfed this buy candle. You should know that they are sellers, but does it work all the time? No. You could even see a, like for example now, you see something like this. You could see something like this. This candle engulfed it, but later on we saw our price came back to take out that zone. The rest that we have been seeing since, they never came back. They just started dropping. They just started dropping. This one is another one. It engulfed. Okay, this is a pin bar. This candle here. I don't know if you can see this candle. This one here. Let me take this arrow. I think either a pin bar or an indecision candle. There's what they call it, doji or something like this. Something like this. This candle here is a doji. This candle, something like this. This one here, this red one in between, or this one is a pin bar. Sometimes when you see this kind of candlestick appear, you should expect a drop, like what happened here. You should expect a drop. So, do you understand? Please, I want to be sure that you guys are getting what I'm saying. Before I go to the next stuff. So, are you getting it? Are you getting it? Let me see your comments. If you have any question, please ask. Unmute yourself and talk. If you have any questions, I would love to hear from us, so that I will not just be talking.
No, I don't have any questions presently.
Oh, okay, that means you're getting it right. That's it. All right. Oh, Informer's network is really okay. She's back. That means you're getting it, Abby. That's what you're saying. So I can continue. So now, what I want to talk about now is, like I said, there's what we call okay, we're done with this. The other candle patterns, if you even check, if we continue checking, we'll see a lot of candlestick patterns. You see this one engulf this one engulf this one, this one engulf this one, this one engulf, this is a pin bar, this candle here is a pin bar. So there are a lot of a lot of candlesticks, You see some bigger than some smaller than some, and all that. So now, what I want to talk about now is what we call support and resistance. So write it down, support and resistance. So from the word support and resistance, what do you understand by support? What do you understand by resistance? So support and resistance. I think before I will talk about support and resistance, I should talk about chart patterns. Not just candlestick patterns now, but chart patterns. That means this your chart. There are some things that will appear. There are some things that will appear that will indicate that, okay, we are buying or we are selling. So let me just give you the chart patterns first before I go into support and resistance. So chart patterns. So we have one. We have double bottom. So we have double bottom. We have triple bottom. We have head and shoulder majorly. So these are the ones I'll just talk about. Head and shoulder. So now, from
Where my cable? Where my this one?
So as I was saying, sorry, that was my mom. So as I was saying, there are some patterns that will appear on the chart that will indicate that this thing wants to buy or this thing wants to sell. So double bottom. This is what we have for a double bottom. This is what we have for a double top. There's double bottom, there's double top. So it's double bottom slash double top here. So I will add that slash top. Then here we have slash top. Then head and shoulder. We have the reverse head and shoulder. So I'll show you all these patterns. So we have triple bottom. We have 1, 2, 3. Then maybe you see something like this. The market is resisting this level. Market is resisting this level. The market is respecting this level. So I'm showing you this pattern so that when we talk about it, you will not be like, oh, what I will say. You'll not be confused about the whole thing. So here's it. This is it. So now, the head and shoulder, from the word head and shoulder, you see this is the head and shoulder pattern. This is how the pattern is. So there's something like this. So we have the neck, this is the neck, then this is the shoulder, this is the two shoulder, then this is the head. Then we also have the reverse of it. So this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is the neck, then this is the, so something like this. So when you see all these patterns on the chart, I get what I'm saying. When you see all these patterns on the chart, it represents something. Please, are you following? Please, are you following? I want to be sure that you are following. Please, are you following? All right. So when you see this double bottom, it indicates that okay, price wants to push up. When you see double top, price wants to push down. When you see triple top, price wants to push down. Triple bottom, price wants to push up. This kind of pattern, that means once you see an head and shoulder pattern, you wait for price to come back to this neckline to now sell from there. So this is what we call retail style of trading. I'm not talking about institution kind of trading now. I'm talking about retail. You know, I talked about institution trading, retail trading, and we are all retailers. You understand? So we want to just get the little we can. So the way we trade this kind of pattern is to wait for buy from the neckline, something like this. Do you understand? So these are some patterns that we use and we see in the market. So now let's go into the chart to let me show you some of these patterns on the chart. That double bottom stuff can also be called W pattern. So you can see what happened here. Price, or this is not a clear one because if you look at this, I will still talk about something later, which is trend. So when you see these your patterns, they should be in line with your trend. If you look at this is the pattern, the double bottom, and price went up all the way here. But it's not in line with the trend, so that's why it's not really that clear. So let me see, okay, yeah, see another one. This one is in line with the trend. It came here, first touch, second touch, then now it dropped. It dropped all the way here. So this is how you predict the market. Okay, that's okay. Price resisted from this zone. This is a double top, so price should drop. And the way this works is that this is the neckline of the what of the double top. So what the way this works, this will move same from this down to the neckline. The distance from here to here, it will move from the neckline again. So this is the neckline. It will move from there to that particular distance. So see what happened. It came to that distance. It covered that place. So you should know that you have predicted that the market will sell from that zone So you have predicted sorry, predicted that the market will sell from here, somewhere like here. And you should predict that, okay, since then you should be targeting, you already know where the market is coming to. You understand? Something like this. This stuff is, you are saying, okay, I want to sell from here. My stop loss, I want to protect, let's say I want to risk a particular amount on this trade. Let's say you are putting it here and you want to sell to this place that your target is. So, but now I'm not talking about that. Let me just show you the patterns, the various kind of patterns. So now let's see. This is a triple top. If you look at it well, this is a even, what will I even call it now? The touches are many. So you see first touch, second touch, this is zone, third touch. In fact, it came back again, fourth touch, and it dropped. So because of this price resisting this zone, we should know that, okay, price wants to drop. Let's go again, let's go again, let's go again. Let me look for an head and shoulder. Let me look for a clear head and shoulder. No, I think I saw on V25. So is it V25 now? Okay, so V25. A clear one. So let me go to the 24-hour time frame. If you look, this chart is now kind of different from the way I analyze the chart, kind of different from the way I analyze that one. So this is now the institution part of way of trading. But then again, we're not talking about that. Let me show you the head and shoulder that I saw here. So you see price came into this level, came down, right? Came here, came down, came here, then dropped. Can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern? Can you see the pattern? Please, I want to be sure if you're understanding what I'm saying, please just say you are getting me so that I will know that you guys are following, because now I'm not even seeing the comments. So you can just unmute yourself and say yes. You can't see my screen? Huh? Seriously? That's why you see. That's what I'm saying. Let me be.
I can see it now.
Okay. So are you getting what I'm saying? All the things I've been showing you guys. Huh?
I think my network was affecting the way I was hearing it now. So I had to
Oh, okay.
leave and come back. So can you go
Okay.
over the head and shoulder, please?
Head and shoulder. Okay, let me go over it again. All right. Ifeoma, are you there? Ifeoma, I hope you are with us. So I can't hear you. So the head and shoulder. Let me remove this. In fact, let me use the line chart. Let me change this to a line chart and see what I'm saying. Can you now see it? Obviously. Can you see it? It came here, came down. Price came here, came down, came here, came down, came here, and dropped. So this is the pattern. And what did we say? We said price will come back to this region to sell from there. Although price neglected this our neckline, still went to the edge to sell from there. There are a lot of things you understand, but seeing this pattern, you already know, okay, we are bearish. Although, can you see where this price is respecting now currently? The neck of this head and shoulder. That's where this sell is coming from. Can you see this? Can you see this one? A double bottom, a bit triple to bottom, because that's is a theory touch self. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you see that? And you see how price moved all the way up. If you can see this on a higher time frame, this is the daily time frame. This is the 24 hours time frame. if you can see this, when I mean 24-hour time frame, what I mean is each candle you see here is 24 hours. If I go to the 4-hour, each candle you see on the 4-hour time frame is 4 hours. One candle is 4 hours, one candle is 4 hours. That means every 4 hours, new candle appears. 24-hour time frame, every 24 hours, new candle appears. Do you understand? Do you understand? So every 24 hours, new candle appears. I mean, I think my network is. Please, hope you guys are still with me. Oh, sorry, my network went down, but I'm back. Please, hope you guys are still with me so that I will know. Are you guys still there?
I'm still here.
All right, all right. So, do you understand the head and shoulder pattern, the double bottom, and what I just explained?
The double bottom. We were talking about the three dots that it meant, but I was only seeing 2 points at the bottom.
Okay,
So
let
can
me
you
go
just go
back
over
there
the
again.
double bottom again?
All right, let me go back there. Hmm. This trade, I missed
Please,
this trade. This trade I was anticipating this trade. What were you saying?
I said, please, can you use the candlesticks to explain
Yeah.
the line
So
chart?
look at this well. This is it. First touch, second touch, third touch. Can you see it clearly now? Price came down, touched it, came here, went up back, came down again. This is triple bottom. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it? A triple bottom on a resistance. If I explain some things now, you will now be getting this thing clearly. If I explain support and resistance now, you will now understand this thing. This is a resistance on its own. This was a former resistance. Price was resisting the market. This was kind of a double top sell. Kind of. Do you understand? When it broke, it now turns support that gave another triple bottom. Do you understand? So this is a resistance that turns support. I will talk about resistance and I'll talk about support and resistance. I'm already talking about this. So if we extend this to the future, you will see that this level, one way or the other, have been affecting price. So let's see. Let me go back. So see what happened now. That level is a strong level. That level is a strong level. When price got here, it reacted, broke, came down. When price got here, it reacted, came down, then broke, came back to that zone, went up, came down, broke. Do you understand? So that level is a strong level. You can see price came here again, tapped into it, went up. Price broke down, came back to the level, tested it, came down. Price came here, tested it, tested it. So you see that this level is a strong key level. See what happened here now. Let me remove this one. See what happened here. Tapped, Kai, tap. Do you understand? So this is strong, strong key level. So we draw our key level based on resistance and support. Based on resistance and support. So if you look at this chart, let me open one of these chart I use to draw where I draw my support and resistance from. So if you look at this chart now, you see that there are key levels I've plotted already down. Why did I take this level? It reacted from here, came down, broke through, reacted from here, came down. In fact, when it got to this level again, it reacted but broke it, came back here, reacted again here, reacted again here, went up, came here, reacted again, reacted again, reacted again. Do you understand? So this now made me to say, okay, this is a strong level that when price one way or the other comes back into this level, might react from. Same way this one reacted here. When price got here, kind of gave us reaction, went up, broke, retested it, went up, broke, came back again into the zone, came down. Do you understand? See this one, tap, 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 this region, tap here, neat, dropped. And the way market moves, it moves from zones to zones. So when this market breaks this zone, know that from this zone now we are going down here. When this market breaks this zone now, why am I looking for sales here? In fact, I was looking for sales here around yesterday. Although it took my stop loss out, but I'm still good on this sell. As it breaks this ones, I'm coming here. I know where I'm coming next. If it breaks this one, if it does not break, when it come here, if it's reacting up, I know it's coming back to this level. If it breaks this level, I know where it's coming to this next level. If it breaks this level, I know where it's coming to this next level. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. If you're understanding, please say you are getting it so that I will continue. So let me go back to my normal chart. That's just for my support and resistance. So I'll remove this. I did not get you. Bro, what did you say? Do you understand? Is Informer still here? Boss, what did you say? Are you getting what I'm saying? Did you get that what I explained just now? So that we'll move ahead to structure. If you get it, we'll move down to structure, market structure, then we are done for today. Then till we meet again. You can ask your question and all. Are we good? Please, I need a reply so that I will know what to do. I will know if I can continue. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? So we'll just continue. Now, I want to talk about structure, what market structure is, right? But now what I'll do is I'll just remove this. I'll just go to another chart basically. I was looking at this chart too, but nevertheless, no voila. So let me look at a chart that I will not really do anything on currently. So now let me remove all this. So now what is market structure? Market structure, like we said, we have two types of trend. We have uptrend, downtrend, and so we said we have trends. We have uptrend, downtrend, consolidation, right? So now, what's an uptrend? When the market is printing series of higher highs higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then when the market is on the downtrend, when the market is printing series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This one that you guys are not. Are you getting what I'm saying? I get it. Please, I need a reply so that I will know if we should continue. I be the network is affecting us so that we just continue tomorrow. Sorry, on Wednesday. All right, no wahala. But now you are getting what I'm saying. Now I said I'm talking about now. Let's go into structure. Remember, we said we have two types of trend. We have uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. I said for uptrend, the market forms series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. For a downtrend, the market forms series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So when the market is on a downtrend, you will see something like this happening in the market. Something like this happening in the market. Uptrend, something like this. So when the market is going up, you see something like this. When the market is coming down, you see something like this. Like I said, you will not see a straight line once, you will see zigzag movement. So let's go to the chart. Consolidation, let me just show you consolidation. When the market is neither moving up nor moving down, it's just ranging in this particular range. Sometimes it might even go above here, but you just see that this market is not going anywhere, just there. You understand? So this is a ranging market. This is a ranging. So I will show you guys all the types on this chart, all the types. So now let's go to an higher time frame. Let's say 1 hour time frame. Are we together? Please, if you are together, let me know so that. Are we together? Are we together? Are we together? Are you following? Before I push. Before I push. All right, great. So now this is the chart. So I want to show you uptrend, downtrend. Now, just merely looking at this chart, is it on an uptrend or a downtrend? Please unmute yourself and please unmute yourself so that I can hear you because now I can't go back to that place. I want to just stay on my screen. Is it on a downtrend or an uptrend? The way you
Which
can
part
see
of
this
that
chart
is
now, the part that you can see from here
okay? This
like this now, is it downtrend or uptrend?
downtrend.
Downtrend, good. So you see price moves from here, came down, came here, came down. If you look, price did not take above that last high. It formed a lower high,
Mm,
a high that is lower than this high. Came down again, formed a low, came back here, formed another high that is lower than this high. That's lower high. This is lower low, lower low, lower low. Came here. So this is how you mark out. This is how you know, okay, where is the market going to? Since the market is printing series of lower low, lower high, we already know where the trend is already. We know that we are selling. So what
yeah.
do you want to do until the market now changes trend, like breaks a previous high? That's where we now know that okay, we are changed trend. Then we can now start buying. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. That means a change has occurred. There's a high was taken out. Let's say this high was taken out now, for example. We can now say, okay, let's buy. But now, what can you see on this market? Basically, this is a ranging market. Market is currently ranging in this area. It's neither going up nor coming down. So you want to stay away from this market because you want to follow the trend. Now you don't even know where the trend is. It's just going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Let's look at it from 4 hours, or let's just stay here. So you see, came here, came back here, came here, came back here. Tell us where you are going. Show us where you are going. You are no, it's not clear. So until he breaks any of this one, if he breaks down, then we're down. If he breaks up, then we're going up. That's how to trade. But you just stay away until he breaks the zone, until he breaks out of the zone completely, clearly. Let's say he breaks, does something like this, then we can now continue the up move. I hope that's clear. So let me show you an uptrend. Let me show you an uptrend. Show you an uptrend. I think that's the ending. But then again, so let's just use here. From here, where price is currently. So this is an uptrend. Price from higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. In fact, there are other structures inside. You see how the price is moving. See how price is moving. See how price is moving. So this is the way. In fact, let me go to. I hope you are getting it too, because this is the last thing we'll do for today. Then we'll call it a day. This is the last thing. Please, are we following? Are we following? So that we'll know. We'll push to the next one. Didn't get you, but maybe you can type. If you are following, maybe you can type. I did not get you clear. We're still talking about trend. We're still talking about trend. So now with your support and resistance and with your trend, you can now define where to take your trades off from and where you are going to and all that and all that. For example, let me go back to this V25 I was talking about that. It came into a zone that I wanted to sell from. So now, looking at this, look at the structure clearly. We are down. Market is taking out. If the market is taking out the lows, we are bearish. Took out that low, formed a lower low, came back, higher, lower high. This high is lower than this high. Lower high, broke this low, internal low, then came back again. So market is forming downtrend clearly. So we are sure that we are coming down. So you already know the direction of the trend. We know that we're coming down. So now you now look for your levels that you want to sell from, potential levels that you are likely to sell from. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So you wait for those levels for price to play into those levels. For example, this level I was talking about, this zone I was talking about. Let's say when price was here, you could have been looking for a pattern. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, see what happened at the 1 hour time frame. You could have said, okay, although this setup pained me. I saw this setup, very clear, neat setup. I wanted to sell from this zone, but I was not on the chart. But then again, you could have sold from, let's say, after this market broke this zone to the down, then maybe this retest, you could have just sell from that point. Let's say even if you sell from that point, let's say your entry was around this zone and your stop loss just above this high or this high self, you still be in profit. Neat one. You know where you are going to now. You can now sell all the way down because you know the overall direction. Taking a trade from here and exiting here is a massive profit. Very massive. Very massive. You could also do something like this, a trend line. You could also do something like this. And where do you want to enter from? The retest of the trend line. So when the market retested that trend line, could have entered from there, and you are in, you're selling, and this market will drop all the way here. It's as simple as that. It will drop. it will drop. It was something I was like that I was looking out for on V50. So something like that I was looking out for on V50 that took my SL, but still it's still dropping. The thing is still dropping. So let me look at is it, yeah, it's V50 now, 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is not my support and resistance chart. So let me go to, sorry, let me go to my support and resistance chart. So now V50, you can see the clear resistance that price was at. So I was like, okay, since price is there, let me see what's going to happen. So see what happened there. I was like, okay, I want to sell all the way. I want to sell from this place, but my stop loss was too tight. I could have maybe adjusted my stop loss, but the capital is too big for this stop loss. So I was like, if not, I would still be on this trade, but it took me out. Then it started dropping. But we can still enter this trade using, we can still enter this trade. Do you understand? Can still enter this trade, um, waiting for price to break out that zone. If you look, this is a double top. This is a double top. We are seeing a double top. So we can wait for this neckline to break. When that neckline break, we wait for a retest. We wait for price to come back, then we'll sell. I hope I'm making sense. 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 So that's how to. So now this is question time. If you have a question, just type, ask your question. Let me know. Let me know your question. Let me know your question before we call it a day, because our time is fast spent and I need to rest and do some other stuff. Please, if you are new here, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for joining. So now this is question time. If you have a question, please, you can send it to us. Okay, no question. That means you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Great, 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 great. All right. Those of us online on YouTube, those of us on YouTube, those of us on YouTube, hope there is no question. If there's any question, ask. If there's any question, ask. If no question, I think we can call it a day. Please, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me using, just contact me if you want to learn more about trading. You can reach out to me on this number 09153594623. You can contact us and we'll take it from there, right? So thank you so much for joining. See you on the next one. Practice these things I've taught. Practice these things I've shown you and see how it works. All right. Practice it. Check it out and see how it works. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Please, my bro, I can see you. I can see you from YouTube. MFX Jonah. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. When are you coming into the synthetic space so that you can be doing crazy stuff? This guy, Amobi, did a lot of stuff last week. When are you coming so that we'll know? Crazy things. He flipped about $100 to about 400 or something. Yeah, maybe about. We're waiting for you, brother. We're waiting for you. I don't know. I feel like just checking one or two currencies, but then again, let's see. Let's see what we have. NFP was really, NFP dropped. NFP dropped. What do we have here? Kai. What do we have? What can I see? What can I see? So we saw this break of structure. Then we saw this break of structure to the downside, a change of character to the downside. But then again, this structure, I'm not too okay with it. But then again, let's see how this will go. Let's see how this will go. It might just keep on dropping. This is a double top, clean double top. Yeah, so price might just see drop to the downside around here. So just keep your fingers crossed, something around here. We should see a reaction to the upside again. But then I'm still kind of bullish. I can see you. Music Miss Boss, welcome. Thank you for joining. I really don't get what did you say about the carrot. I don't get. What was the question? Please. All right, so that will be all for today. That'll be all. That'll be all. Thank you so much. We'll see on Wednesday or thereabout. But I think next week, this next week will be very busy for me. Let's see if we might have class. Let's see. Sure. No wahala. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right.